Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the BOLT-415 Unisex knee-high combat boots in black vegan leather by Demonia. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Alright, now let's take them out of these bags and unwrap them to take a look. You can also buy these direct from Demonia Cult if you're in a different location, but we offer free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. Here you can see we have these hanging metal chains connected to the harness strap on the back. And the Bolt range has a fairly flat sole. This one has 1¼ inches at the heel end. There's a studded panel at the top with the buckles. But this is also a lace-up boot with 18 eyelets as well as the buckles. And we've also got various O-rings and D-rings. Let's unbuckle this top panel so you can have a look. The buckles are adjustable, so you can loosen them or tighten them up. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style. I'll be dropping all the details in the description box below for this video. So we've also got a full length inside zipper on this model, as well as some clips here on the chains. But the chains are attached on at least one end, so even though they have the clips, I don't think you can really take them off without undoing the other end. So let's unzip them now and take a look inside. These boots have a soft spongy lining on the inside as well as the back of the tongue. I'm not going to lace them up for this video, but you can see they've got the round laces there. Now put these aside and we grab the other boots so we can take a look after at them together. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want us to make more of these unboxing videos. The only thing I forgot to mention before was that we've got this branded Demonia metal plate at the toe end of the boot. And also the sizing, as this is a unisex model, it comes in men's USA sizes 4 to 14, which also converts to women's USA 6 to 16 or European 36 to 46. Drop a comment below to let us know what you think and tell us which shoe model you want to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen. Well, that's all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching.